Just call forth the rest of your yokai friends. Great idea. I'll just wait. I don't have any yokai friends. That's a little rude to your cicada friend. Oh shit, I caught a ghost bug. I'm Kaden. I'm a yokai that dons the lowly disguise of a mere cicada. He's a samurai. I got a fucking ninja. I got a samurai. Use that metal to call upon him. Be by this faster than a chirping cricket on a bullet train. Yeah, okay. Am I gonna Pokemon battle with yokai? Am I yokai battle? No. Kaden, you're fine. Your name is fine. Can't you know you just quit? This is literally just a Pokemon game, but with ghosts. Fight. Ultimate. Fuck. Oh yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense. Damn. My man just went Bonkai on it. Plum rice ball. Sounds good to me. Are you gonna make me ask for forgiveness then? Decent. Give me that medal. Boo-hoo. What the fuck? What is this game? Just... Yokai Medallium. This is like a Pokedex. Okay, cool. You can check into the Yokai Medallium for info. Okay. It's literally just a Pokedex. Neat.
So how's that? Think you understand yokai a little better now?
It's hard to actually believe that yokai really exist in the first place.
He does have a retarded voice.
I understand, but yokai are hiding everywhere in the city, you see. Like over there.
Bro, if a trash can lid flew off of the trash can while I was walking next to it, I'd lose my mind.
So you see, there are yokai all around you, hidden in plain sight. You may not be able to see them, but they're everywhere. So let's take that Yokai Watch and start using it to make you some yokai friends, okay?
Yeah, okay. Yokai Cam available now. Alrighty. Sounds good to me. Yep, save. That's funny. Why do I need to be taken care of? What's wrong with me? I like how the ghost is like, all right, I got you, fam. I'm gonna watch over you now. We got this. Alrighty, we will call it here for this recording session. Once I can save, what is happening over there? Oh, they're arguing. That's a good question. Uninvited house guests of yours. Ah, the possessed. I got them ghosts. Alrighty. But yeah, we will... Shit. Fuck. We are gonna save and continue this tomorrow when I record this again. Alrighty, I hope you all have a great evening, and if you enjoy the videos, please like and subscribe.